In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Trello with Microsoft Teams. By following this guide, you'll be able to easily manage your Trello boards directly within Teams, streamlining your workflow and enhancing collaboration with your team. To get started, make sure you have Microsoft Teams open either on your desktop or through the web. Once you're logged in, you'll want to find the specific team or channel where you want to integrate Trello. This could be a group project, department channel, or any specific workspace that requires collaborative planning or tracking. Next, navigate to the top of the Teams channel interface. You'll see a selection of tabs. What you're looking for is the plus or the button that allows you to add a new tab. Clicking this will bring up a list of applications and services that can be integrated directly into the Teams experience. In the search bar, type in Trello. Once Trello appears in the list, select it to begin the integration process. At this point, you'll need to sign in with your Trello account details. Have your credentials ready. A smooth login will ensure that you can quickly connect your Trello boards. If you're already logged into Trello in the same browser, you may not even need to re-enter your details. This seamless integration is one of the many benefits of using these platforms in conjunction with each other. After signing in, the next step is selecting the Trello board that you want to integrate with your team's channel. You might have a variety of boards depending on how extensively you use Trello. Choose the board that aligns best with your team's objectives or current projects. After this selection, that particular Trello board will appear as a tab in your team's channel. This tab serves as a direct line to your Trello board, meaning all cards, lists, and other functionalities are directly accessible within Teams. This integration allows team members to stay updated on project progress without constantly switching back and forth between applications. It makes for a more efficient workplace where updates are instantly reflected and everyone stays on the same page. Remember, to get the most out of this integration, encourage your team to regularly update tasks, checklists, and deadlines on Trello. This way, Teams becomes your hub of communication and Trello your hub of activity, perfectly complementing each other. Should you face any issues during integration, revisiting each step or consulting help resources from Microsoft Teams and Trello can be beneficial. And there you have it, a full walkthrough on integrating Trello with Microsoft Teams. This setup simplifies team management and enhances productivity, keeping everything you need in one accessible place. Thanks for tuning in,